Hello everyone, this is Sunny. You are watching my YouTube channel Trade with Sunny. Today is 16th of March. It's Saturday and hope you all are having a nice weekend. Today we are going to talk about GBPUSD, pound dollar. This is daily time frame chart and let's analyze it on higher time frame. Let's start from as big as possible, but that is 12 month chart. Let's have a look on it. So what is it telling us? That it had a bearish trend since the beginning. Okay, at least now since 2007 we are making a bearish leg down here, which we have taken the liquidity down here, but I want to go it I want it to go well below it, making the candles below this wick, or at least 50% of this wick. Okay, so let's go on 6 months chart. It's in this fair value gap right now. Market is at a very crucial point and a very important point. Let me mark it for you. It's like let's mark it with this. Yeah, so we are gonna focus on this 6 months fair value gap. As you can see, it came back up into this equilibrium point of this order block, which is this black line, and since last 2 6-month candles we haven't been closed above it, and the third, this current candle, has gone a little bit above it and then got rejected. Currently it's right slightly below its equilibrium, and but still you can see that it's going into the premium and getting rejected very well. So let's go on 1 month chart. Yeah, as we can see that still the bodies here and the candles are respecting this area and staying around this area and accepting it as its equilibrium. And we are going to have a look at this fair value gap as well, but as it's 1 month fair value gap and we are talking about 6 months fair value gap, currently it's a long range up to here. So we are gonna take this line as our reference point, and these are the ends of our reference point zones where we are gonna trade. So we are still going to look at lower time frame. Now it's a weekly chart. We can see another gap here on weekly time frame. Let me mark it as well. Sorry. Yep. As we have not seen any candles closing into this zone, so this area still is of great importance, and it will play really a nice role in upcoming price action when the price reaches these zones. For now, I would still say that the price is at this equilibrium level of 6 months fair value gap, which is really an important point. And if we are gonna study it on higher time frame, and if we know the bias on higher time frame, that what it is gonna do for next months, 3 4 6 month, or even the whole year, then it is gonna be easier for us to trade the live markets or even on demo. So if you have a higher time frame bias, that could help you a lot, even if you are not doing very well at speculations and stuff like that, but you know the higher time frame bias, that is the thing that's gonna help you saving your account, saving your capital, and that will give you more accuracy and precision in your live market trading or demo. I'm not motivating you. I always say I'm not motivating you to trade on live charts or live markets by looking at my analysis or anything like that. That's totally your own business, and I'm not gonna be responsible for any losses, or I'm not gonna I'm not gonna claim any profits from anyone as well, that I've told you that it's gonna happen or it's not gonna happen, because these are the markets, and they that's the algorithm that runs every day, every hour, except weekends obviously. But that's the algorithm. You would be right many times, you would be wrong many times, but we are here for educational purpose only, and I am a learner as well. I'm not a teacher at all, but still I'm sharing what I think about the markets. Well, now it's a 1 week candle closed slightly above this equilibrium, and this week closed below this, and we are going lower. Yeah, on daily time frame it already has started falling, and this fair value gap, yeah, so we see that this candle taking this low, a swing low, this one has a fair value gap in it. Okay, from low of this candle to the high of this candle, this candle is making SIBI, sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance. So I want it to go back into it and drop below, at least into first into this fair value gap, could get rejected a little bit up from here and then down here. So now let's go on 4 chart, where this fair value gap is the 4-hour chart. It has given a small entry into this fair value gap. Maybe it was Friday. Yeah, Friday 5 o'clock. That's yeah. Yeah, it was today. It has given us entry. Maybe on Monday it comes up again into this fair value gap and drops below, or it can go down on Monday and comes back on Tuesday, and on Wednesday it makes a drop. Now let's see. We are still gonna monitor the price action in the live market price at smaller time frame in the silver bullets, or we are gonna look for 2022 model, and everything we know about the ICT. And as we have a specific trade criteria when we are going to enter the market, it its composition is like time and the price, which is like smart money techniques, which ICT calls it, and we are gonna monitor the price action for those little things which we will have to look at on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or whenever we want to trade. So that's it for today. This was a nice video which I have posted. It's nice for my journaling, and it's good for you as well if you use it for study purposes and not trade it, as it's not advised by me at all. Well, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.